Welcome to Exodus versus Zengo Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we will compare Exodus and Zengo Wallet to help you decide which one is best suited for your needs. Exodus is a well-established software wallet known for its user-friendly interface and support for over 200 cryptocurrencies. It's a great option for beginners and intermediate users who want an intuitive, all-in-one wallet. Exodus features an integrated exchange, allowing users to swap assets directly within the wallet. Additionally, it offers portfolio tracking and investment insights, which help users manage their crypto holdings. However, it is a software wallet, meaning it's connected to the internet, and while it has solid security features like backup phrases, it may not be the best choice for long-term storage of large amounts of crypto due to its lack of multi-signature protection or hardware wallet-level security. On the other hand, Zengo Wallet takes a more innovative approach with its keyless security system. Instead of using a traditional private key, Zengo utilizes a biometric authentication system, facial recognition, and a threshold signature scheme, making it a secure and user-friendly wallet for people who don't want to worry about backing up a private key. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning users retain full control over their funds. Zengo is also ideal for beginners due to its simple app-based interface and seamless experience. The wallet supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, and has integrated buying and selling features. One of its standout features is its recovery mechanism, allowing users to recover their funds even if they lose access to their device. In conclusion, Exodus is perfect for users who want an easy-to-use wallet with built-in exchange features and are comfortable with traditional private key security. However, if you prioritize cutting-edge security with biometric authentication and a keyless system, Zengo Wallet is the better option. Both wallets are excellent, but your choice depends on your security needs and ease of use. Check out the links in the description to explore both options and make your decision.